What's up everybody? My name is Reggie Cox. In this video I'm going to show you the two new secret weapons inside the interior cleaning system called 2pH by Labocosmetica. What is there to say but that these two weapons in the arsenal of the detailer have become an extension to get a seat cleaned at a level that has not been seen before. After 23 years of interior cleaning, I got a masterclass by Mr. Franco Lazzarotti showing me how you should actually clean the inside of the car. And one of the two tools inside of this immaculate system to clean your interior are these brushes. We designed these brushes especially with an alloy made of two different types of metals, with on the outside nylon brushes. These nylon brushes are our safeguard. If we ever come to a place where it's a delicate surface, these nylon brushes will safeguard us from the use of this brush, because the metals are strong yet entirely safe and do not create any damage on skin. One is designed to go on the carpets because the carpets itself have more rigid fabrics than the seats. The other one is specially designed for the seats. By using a special wrist twist technique, you are able to lift dust from a level inside of the fabric that you have not seen before. These eureka wow moments because of this brush will give an extra sense of pleasure while you are cleaning the interior of the car. This is also the checkup. Have you done your decontamination and de-dusting? Preferably very nicely, then you will see nothing coming off this brush after the treatment of 2pH. Step 1, aspiration. Step number 2, the dust finder. Step 3, glico. And step 4, ductilate. This is the entire interior cleaning system designed by 5 detailers in Italy and Labocosmetica. Do you want to bring your interior cleaning to a next level? Do you want to become that detailer that can clean everything? Buy these products, be amazed, and thank me later. My name is Reggie Cox. See you guys next time.
Labocosmetica.